by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
Genovation GXE, electric Corvette Grand Sport conversion, coming to season. Last year, Rockland, Maryland-based Genovation Cars announced the second generation of its electric sports car, the GXE, which stands for Genovation Extreme Electric. This week, the company announced the pre-production GXE will make a silent splash at next month's Consumer Electronics Show. The first gen took the C6 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 as a donor vehicle, swapping the supercharged 6.2-liter V8 for two electric motors producing roughly 600 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque. The organ transplant was good for a land speed record for street-legal electric cars at 205.6 miles per hour, and a standing mile record for electric cars at 190.4 miles per hour. The second generation switches to the C7 Corvette Grand Sport. The new GXE's two electric motors should get something like 800 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. All of that power, mind you, goes to the carbon fiber wheels at the rear. On top of more powerful electric motors, Genovation upped the battery capacity from 44 kWh to 60 kWh and maintained 50-50 weight distribution. Range is said to be around 150 miles if you play holly-golightly with the throttle pedal, or just enough for two UFO-sounding laps of the 12.9-mile Nürburgring. Genovation says the bulk to 60 miles per hour happens in under 3 seconds, a traditional Grand Sport does it in 3.5 seconds, and top speed will be on the far side of 220 miles per hour. The coming GXE proves the adage that the best things in life are free, the second best things in life are hideously expensive. Each of the 75 examples Genovation plans to build will cost $750,000. The limited run helps keep the price high, and buyers can opt for a feature not seen on any other electric car we know of, a 7-speed manual transmission. The company believes it won't have any trouble finding buyers, and plans to use the haul of loot to finance a less expensive electric sports car called G2. Genovation has scheduled GXE deliveries to begin at the end of 2019.